Hey guys, it's Aaron here in the 16-bit workshop again. So as you can see, it powers on, it works, mostly. There's probably something up with the floppy drive. I get intermittent read errors, sometimes it thinks there's no disk in there, so it could be the disk insert sensor. It probably needs a clean. Could also be the workbench disk. It's basically the only thing I've really tried. So I've run a couple of other disks and they seem to work okay. The memory expansion seems to work. It reports 1 meg. The real-time clock does not, because it's 1970. Apart from that, yeah, I mean, the video actually through this composite to SCART cable is fantastic quality. I mean, when I was a kid using the RF modulator, the A520 modulator, it was barely readable. This is amazing in comparison. I'd be totally happy with this, though I might still invest in a scan doubler at some point. But yeah, that's it so far. I just wanted to post a quick short little video to say that it works. And next I guess I'll start tearing it down and seeing what's inside it. So stay tuned for that. Alright, see you guys later.